Hello, and welcome to your second Android tutorial. When you first enter Eclipse, your screen should look like this. If it doesn't, don't fret. Okay, so File, we want to go to File, then New, Android Project. Call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Hello World, spelt incorrectly. Now, we're going to create a project in Workspace, blah 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 blah. Choose whatever version of Android you feel most comfortable with. If you have a phone that can only support 1.6, then I will choose 1.6. I'm going to go with 2.1. Okay. Application name you don't need one, but you might as well have one. I'm going to call it Hello. Package name. Normally it will be com.package. Hello. So it says we're not allowed to have package in it. Let's change that to Java. Now we need to create an activity. So let's call this Hello World. The mini SDK version is this one here. So it's the letter under the API over the Android target name you selected. So for me it will be 7. Next, finish. Once you've done that, if you close this, you'll see a package explorer. Let's exit that. This one will be here. Okay. Then I'm going to click src com java hell. Why did I put hell in? Anyway. Double click that and you'll be presented with this screen here. Get us some space. Then you're going to need to create a new text view. So write text view, capital V, equals TV equals new text view this. Now, then we want text view. This is the text view we've created. I was going to change it here, so we can change it to whatever you want. So I'm going to change it to olive, because I like olives. So we change it to olive, and then dot set text hello world. Then it needs to end with a period. Now we need to set the content view to what we've just written. So we've got a load of errors. This is most likely because we need to import text view. It will say, oh yes, look, import text view. Equal sign, be gone. Now it's all working. But before we can run this magnificent program of ours, we are going to need a Android virtual device. So we're going to go Window, Android SDK and AVD Manager. You see, I've already got these two here which I made earlier. Let's just make one for the sake of this tutorial. So for the name, I'm going to call this testing phone. I think it will allow you to put a space. Nope. Testing phone by itself. Target will be what you selected. Leave all of that stuff unless you want a different skin. Resolution. Nah, leave that if I were you. Create AVD. So, it's all good. Close that. Click the Run button. You will need to select Android application. Now the Android virtual device that we just made will load. This will take around 5 minutes. So it's loaded up here. We are going to need to unlock the phone, and here we have hello, that's the name of our application, and then here is our text view, which is hello world. So once we've done that, we can Alt F4 out of here, and that is it. I shall now explain what each of these does if you're not familiar with Java, or as some people say, Java. Here's a package. This is pretty much the folder or area this is in. I don't know how that hell thing got there. So here is what we're importing. This is the libraries we're importing. The libraries contain essential code that our program needs to run, such as the TextView method. Here is a comment that Android generated for us, which is quite nice of Android. Thank you. And here we have onCreate, which is called when the activity is first created. And you could ignore that for the moment. Super onCreate, that's more of the magic code to ignore. Okay, set content view r.layout.main. The views in Android are configured in XML files, which is the same for websites. So if we go res, then we go layout, we will find our layout file. This also includes an option to visually edit your project. So here you see we've got our thing we made. If we wanted to, we could drag in a button, although to be honest I wouldn't really recommend it. But hey ho, do whatever you want. So then you got loads of other stuff, so you can put a gallery in here, or clock, or something. It's just pretty much an easier way of typing code. So if we go to our XML file, you'll see everything we've added has been put in lovely code for us. But it's not indented, and there you go. Hit Control Shift F and we'll indent it all for you. So now click back on your hello world.java, and so this is your XML file which we have here, and here we're creating a new text view. So we're creating a new object, I presume, and we've called this Olive or Olive, and we're making a new one of it, and it's in this document. So we're setting it to hello world, and then we're setting the content view, which we're setting so you can see it, to the text. So that's pretty much it. If you like this, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do whatever YouTube people do. So, goodbye, and enjoy your life.